Hey there, this is Ms. Schlebecker back to talking. I'm going to talk to you about Chapter 2 in InDesign. I'm on the top of page 220, and we're back to working with using the paragraph panel and the character panel to modify our text. So click View on the menu bar, and then click Fit Page in Window, which ours is already fit. It's already there, so it didn't move. Then click the first instance of the in the first paragraph 4 times. Let's try it again. Make sure I hit it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it selected the whole paragraph. Click the same word 5 times. Okay, and it selected everything. Click the leading list arrow on the character panel. So to go back and open up my character panel, hover until you find the leading, and then we're going to click the list arrow, and then click 30 points. The vertical spaces between each line of the text is increased. Double click 30 in the leading and type 16. Hit enter. Display the paragraph panel. Then click Justify with Last Line Align Left button. So let's hover until we find it. That's the Align Left button. Justify with Last Line Align Left. So that's what we need. Click Introducing at the top of the document 3 times. Then click the Align Center button on the paragraph panel. Click Edit on the menu bar. Click Deselect All. And we're over on page 221. Click the Type tool. Click anywhere in the body of the text. Then click Edit on the menu bar and select All. Click the space after up arrow in the paragraph panel, which I believe will hover until we find it. That's the right indent, left indent, first line left indent, space before, space after. It says click the space after up arrow on the paragraph panel 3 times so that the value reads 0.1875 inches. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then deselect all. All right, click and drag to select the 2 footnotes at the bottom of the document. It looks like I just made a new text box, so I'm going to go to Edit, Undo. So I'm going to use my Type tool and then highlight them. I clicked and highlighted both of them. It says click and drag to select the 2 footnotes at the bottom of the document. Double click the space after text box on the paragraph panel. So I double clicked it and then type 0 and hit enter. All right. Select only the first footnote, which is here. Double click the 0 in the space before text box on the paragraph panel. and type 0.25 and hit enter. Alright, click edit on the menu bar and then deselect all. Turning the page. Click type on the menu bar, then click show hidden characters. Looks like there's several. Select all the body copy on the first page except the 2 footnotes. Then click first line left indent up arrow on the paragraph panel. So we're going to hover until we figure out which one it is. First line left indent up arrow. Okay. We need to click it 4 times to change the value to 0.25. Good. Select by Christopher Smith. Then click the left indent up arrow until the value is 0.5. Okay. Okay, number 4. Click anywhere in the 3rd paragraph. Change the first line left indent value to 0. Which I believe is here. Okay, we need to change this to 0. I'm just going to click here and then type 0. Okay. Change the left indent value to 0.75 inches. Then change the right indent value to 0.75 inches. Click any word in the 3rd paragraph. We're going to click it 3 times to select the entire line. Click the character panel name tab. Change the font size to 18. Change the leading to 20 points. We're going to have to double click and type 20. Then deselect your paragraph. Your document should resemble figure 33, and mine looks just like it. Alright, so we're moving at the top of page 223. Before we get too far, we want to make sure that we're going to the right page number. So let's go back to Canvas. And we have to go through page 37, so we're doing just fine. Okay, so click the Paragraph Panel Name tab. Click anywhere in the first paragraph and change the first line left to indent value to 0. First line left indent value right here. And we're going to type 0 and enter. Click the drop cap number of lines arrow 3 times up. So we need to go 3 times up. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, nice. Select all the body copy text. Including the 2 footnotes. So we'll go back here. I'm going to select it all, including those 2 footnotes. And then change the font to Garamond or a similar font. Click the Zoom tool. Then drag a selection box around the last paragraph. And scroll up a little bit so you can see it. Click the Type tool. Then click to insert a cursor immediately before the capital O on the word on in the 3rd sentence of the last paragraph. So that's 1, 2, this must be where they're talking about, 3. Press and hold Shift, then press Enter or Return to create a soft return. So hit Shift, Enter, okay. Use the keyboard command to hide the characters. So what we'll do is we need to use the keyboard command to hide the hidden characters. And I don't remember the keyboard command for that. So we're going to go back to Type, and we're going to go to Hide Hidden Characters and click on that. And then it'll hide all of the little extras. Click View, Fit Page in Window. Click File, Save. And then close your document.